Shisha, enabling shared perspective with face-to-face collaboration using redirected avatars in virtual reality. The natural visualization and interaction make virtual reality suitable for multi-user cooperation. Users perform better when communicating using full-bodied gestures. Also, collaborative virtual environments facilitate richer and more positive interaction and improve team cohesion. Working in a face-to-face configuration is preferred by users, improves performance, and allows them to derive intention. However, when users work with different perspectives, the task performance can decrease due to left-right ambiguities. A shared perspective resolves this issue and allows users to build a common understanding. Both face-to-face cooperation and sharing a perspective have advantages. Yet, standing face-to-face and at the same location is impossible in the real world. Multi-user environments are often composed of several separated worlds, one for each user. To allow several users to work together in a shared environment, the different worlds need to be synchronized. This poses an overhead for the implementation. However, the separate worlds also allow modifying the experience for each user individually. We present the shifted but shared perspective modification Shisha. Shisha leverages the separate worlds to enable users to share the same point of view, while at the same time allowing users to see each other. The goal of our system is to balance usability, task performance, the feeling of teamwork, and perceived co-presence. For the example of a two-user collaboration, Shisha provides both users A and B with the same perspective by positioning them right in front of an object of interest. To avoid overlapping with the avatar of the other user, connected avatars are shifted to the side of the local user. But the applied shift changes the pointing and grabbing targets of connected user avatars as their actual and shifted position do not match. To overcome the resulting inconsistencies, a distance-based redirected interaction approach is used, which adjusts head and hand movement. To evaluate the Shisha technique, we've compared it to a baseline called Vishnu. Vishnu positions two users in the same position. As you can see in the image, transparent arms represent the movements of the other user. We have invited 32 volunteers to perform a block assembly task with expert and worker roles to compare Shisha and Vishnu. For the experiment, we had 3 hypotheses. As the results show, both Shisha and Vishnu have a high usability. The good ratings of the short user experience questionnaire support H1. Also, H2 can be supported. Both techniques show no significant differences regarding puzzle completion times or workload. H3 is partially supported by the results. Shisha has a significantly higher co-presence with a medium effect size when compared to Vishnu. Additionally, user feedback indicates that the collaboration with Shisha is natural and analog to interacting in the real world, and can be experienced as teamwork. The face-to-face interaction of Shisha allows them to follow and observe the other user and her or his movements. With Vishnu, users have found that the additional pair of arms were blocking their view and can be irritating. Some users could not notice the actions of the other user and felt lonely. Also, some users even had the feeling that the other user was standing behind them and they felt watched. The user study shows that the task performance of both techniques is very similar, although the visualization and the user experience are quite different. Our results support the previous work that users benefit more from a shared perspective rather than avatar fidelity. However, even though a high-fidelity avatar might not be required for task execution, our results indicate that it benefits a more comfortable collaboration during and especially between tasks. Based on our results, we recommend to always display full-body avatars for a feeling of teamwork and to allow users to observe the other's actions. When using redirection, the redirected avatars should move naturally and present a coherent interaction as users notice strange behavior. Lastly, one should avoid breaking personal space distances even in the virtual world, as this can lead to discomfort and irritations. To conclude, we present Shisha, a social redirection technique that allows multi-user collaboration from a shared perspective, while at the same time providing a face-to-face interaction. Shisha shows comparable task performance and usability compared to a state-of-the-art baseline, but offers a significantly higher co-presence. The social redirection method allows to follow the intent of the other user, presents a comfortable collaboration, and keeps personal space distances. If you have any questions, please refer to our paper or feel free to contact us. Thank you very much.